Hello, friends and family. I know it's looking like I'm wearing the same clothes multiple days, but let me shut you down right now. I am recording multiple videos in one day, and this is an accumulation of, what happened Saturday is what I'm posting Saturday, but then this other stuff is kind of, other stuff that went on. So this is Christmas in July. And while Amazon Prime was going on and we had our focus on that, Target was also doing something in the background. And I didn't have my community tab. I didn't have time to do a full video at the moment because I was too busy shopping myself. But there was a lot of, stocking up on your personals and your preps at a discount and a sale is important. So I did a lot of Prime shopping. I'm going to do a haul for that. Christmas in July too. And I did some Target. So Target had a special deal. 25% off all personal and beauty. So it was some things I wanted. And if you order on Target, you can also use Ibotta. So I had like $3 to $4, like $3.75 in Ibotta rebates. So basically all this stuff, this fancy beauty products that I'm about to show you, I only spent $35 for. And it came to my house because all my Targets are like far away. I didn't even want to do a drive-up pickup because the stuff was scattered all over. You couldn't find, like it'll be stuff at one store, but it's not at this store. So I wanted what I want, so I just said bring it to my house. So this is, and I'm unboxing, even though I've cut the boxes, I'm unboxing with you. I'm just not showing the box because I don't edit and I don't want to throw my address up here. So I wanted to try this Dr. Teals body lotion, and this is milk and honey. So let's see, we're going to have a first impression too. Well, seeing as something already coming out the package, which I'll call them about that. It's a sweet smell. It's a milk and honey, but it's a sweet milk and honey from what I'm getting off of this. Let's see. It's not broken, is it? So, I'm let you see what I'm doing. So I'm not just looking down for the whole video. Yeah, it's leaking. I'm going to have to call them. Even though they tried to tape it closed, I'll check and make sure nothing's missing. It almost smells like cake. Oh, I just finished eating pound cake. That might be that. What's on my finger? Let me actually get inside. Get in now. Let's see. Okay. I don't know from that. Let's see. It is something on here. That feels weird because you don't know what's going on. Yep, that's what it was. It smells like cake. But let me get a little bit on my finger. See how it feels. Hands was a little ashy. First impression. Little cakey. A little sweet. I mean, it kind of disappeared. I didn't use that much, and it took the white off my hands because I just washed my hands a lot. So, it's okay. It's a keeper for the price. And I want to say, again, it was 25% off, and they probably don't put prices on here. Yeah, they didn't put prices on that receipt. All of it was $35, but the regular price on this, I want to say, is $5.99 or $6 or something. So, next box. And you know I'm a Dr. Teals fanatic, but again, I wanted to try some different things just to see. So, see how they package this, all wrapped up, zip tied, and everything. Got my trusted little blades from Harbor Freight that are like $3-4. They're real cheap at the register. I don't want to cut myself though. But they zip tied this thing. Well, just cut the darn plastic. Really? Just wake up, cut the plastic without stabbing yourself. See, I'm on the struggle bus right now. Okay, that ought to get it. So, this is the Dr. Teals Collagen Milk Bath. Now, this is in a coconut milk and almond milk radiant skin. But why would they put oranges and mint on here? So let's see how this smells. Oh, now I like that. It is a little bit of a orangey scent. See? Okay, so that's a honeycomb. But this one has oranges and mint. It has a slight citrus scent to it. So this is a collagen radiant skin, hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, and essential oils, nourish and soften skin, promoting a natural glow. Oh, so I think I like that. And it's a pretty big bottle too. It's 32 ounce. And again, 25% off the regular price on all of this. And we got another one wrapped up and zip tied. They say if this stuff runs and bleeds. So I'm glad I cut the boxes, or this would have been a real long video. Okay, this stuff leaking everywhere. I'm gonna have to call them about the shipping. But this is, now I kind of got to keep it in the plastic a little bit. It's Refresh and Renew. No, Refresh and Revitalize. This is one of their newer scents. Oh, I like that smell. And I think I already had the salts for this, but it wasn't open yet. So, but I will mix the salt with the foaming bath. So this is the foaming bath. And it's called Refresh and Revitalize with vitamins A, B, and C. And it's organic kale, spinach, blue spirulina, acai berry. It helps moisture and refresh the skin. Essential oils revitalize the mind. Long-lasting bubbles gently cleanse. So this almost has the like elderberry scent, but a fainter, light, more perfumier elderberry. It smells real good. But again, I'm gonna call them about that packaging. And I probably should have did the drive up, but again, it was all over town. I wasn't doing that. The gas wasn't worth it. But I did want to take advantage of the sale. Get it while the getting's good. Because I like to have a bath. A good hot soak in the bubble bath. Okay, so look, all over. And they had it wrapped up. Again, they tried. But this is all the way open, oozy. And this is the lavender, essential oil, cocoa butter, shea butter, vitamin E. So I'll probably call them and because I can barely smell it. It's mixed in with the honey. Let's try this. I look weird me smelling my fingers, don't it? It really look weird. Oh my goodness. It looks weird me sitting around here smelling white. Okay, let me stop. I can barely smell this. This is the Dr. Teals Lavender Lotion. And I can barely smell it. Okay. Now that fired it up. Now that smells good. Now that it's fired up. And okay, yeah, that smells real good. Oh yeah, I'ma like that. But the fact that it's leaking, I'm hoping that pump is not broken. I will check that later, but I will be giving them a call and seeing what they can do about that. Because they may just give me an extra $5 or $10 off the $35, but we'll see. And then this is expensive stuff. This is like $15 by itself. But I need to start taking better care of my skin. and being out in the sun, working in that yard. And I'm looking for something that don't kind of start me sweating as soon as I step out the door into the heat. It's like, boom, a waterfall of sweat on my face instantly with some of the products I use. So, and I wanted protection from the sun. So this Cetaphil is daily oil-free moisturizer with 35 SPF. And it's for combination of sensitive skin. I thought I got normal to dry. I have to check that order. I'm going to check that order because I thought I got normal to dry. Because that's where I am. I'm not combination or I'm combination sensitive. Well, I'll go back and look, make sure they gave you the right thing before I make that phone call. But this was $15, but it had an Ibotta rebate on it. So I want to say for like $2 or $3. So and I really wanted to try this product. And now that was like I say, $14.99 by itself. So I watch another YouTuber, Helen H. She's been raving about this Mother Shea whipped shea butter and lavender. Well, Mother Shea product, period. So this is a whipped shea butter, and it's in lavender since I take most of the baths at nighttime. And she was like, a little bit goes a long way, and this stuff was like $15 on Amazon for sure for this one little tin, and it is how many ounces does it say? Oh, 6 ounces. That's it, 6 ounces. So this is some pretty expensive stuff. Well, at least it didn't leak. Ooh, it smells so good. That lavender is hitting. Oh, it smells so good. But I already got enough oils on my head right now. But got that. So all those products, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for $30. When 2 of them, well, about $35, when 2 of them alone were $15. So I am sorry I didn't share the deal while the deal was going on. I do want to thank you all for helping me to reach 500 subscribers, but it still took an extra week for me to get my community tab. And that was my intention, to post deals in community tabs all through Prime Day and through, with the Target or whatever I saw. So if you like this video, if you like to catch deals, hauls, run deals, all of that, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Ring the bell for when I post stuff. I posted a run deal earlier today. So you need to, earlier on Saturday. It's the same day I'm recording. So you need to kind of ring that bell and pay attention if you want to catch those deals. And I do garden and prep. I vacation. I'm just a lifestyle, do everything kind of single mommy. So if you like that kind of content, go ahead and subscribe. Let's comment down below. Did you catch this sale? Let me know if you got some good deals or some, special items at Target that you like. And hit that like button for me if you like this video. I do thank you so much for watching. And I want you to all go out and plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed. We still got time to prepare. Get everything you need, everything you use for the next 6 to 12 months. So no matter what the prices do, no matter if it's there or if it's not there, you got it in your house. And another thing, I'm on the Ring app, and if you do have a Ring camera, please start paying attention to these neighborhood alerts. Because we have, in my general area, a crime spree going on. It was like 8 to 10 burglaries in one day. And I don't know if it was the same person that the police ended up shooting at the end of the day. So this place is getting wild. And do you want to be out there in it unnecessarily as it gets worse and worse? So this is why we prep. Have what you need in your house. I do thank you again. And be safe. Don't worry, just prepare. Bye-bye.